Good morning, guys. Morena, morena. What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello, Tallest Pineapple, Gaming Devious One, and the Brother Master over on the green side. Good morning. Morena, morena, how we doing? Probably just gonna play Kapa Haka all day today for the stream. Got some mahi to do today. One more practice left for me, and then the competition is next week. What's up, Ashton? How you, man? Yeah, the competition is next week, guys. So I'm pretty excited, but at the same time, I can't wait till it's over. Genuinely cannot wait till it's done. How have you been though? Yeah, bro, got a mad cold, eh? I got mad cold. I should probably put a jacket on, but we'll see how we go today. See how we go today, whānau. So you're going to be doing a bit of the face today on that carving. I probably won't stream any more WoW during the day. I'm probably going to do it in the evenings with the bros. I was playing some WoW with some of my mates last night that are streamers as well, and it was fun. I should have went live, but nah, I was kind of chilling out. It's kind of chilling out for the night. Yeah, it's some Kahui Maunga's regionals this weekend, eh? It's crazy how close together all the regionals are. Yeah. It's like really close together. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to perform. And then I'm excited to get my weekends back as well. Definitely excited to get my weekends back for sure. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good to have them back. And we can chill out with the kids again. Okay. So we're gonna just be playing Kapa Haka today. So we're gonna be drawing for a little bit, and then we'll get into it, eh? I'm wondering if I just... We'll have a bit of a yarn first. What are we up to? What's everyone been up to today? Is my kick stream still live? Oh yeah, it's still live. Morning, Matthew! All the way from Scotland, over on the top. Good morning, brother, how are you? Are you soon? Just chilling till then? Yeah, I feel that. It's actually quite cold, eh? Probably gonna get my jacket soon. Okay. I'm wearing pants today, it's cold. Conrad, thank you very much, brother. Yeah, it's only autumn, but bro, it got mad cold pretty fast. Pretty fast, I will say that much. Oh, Marcus, that's a bit of a weird question, brother. Sorry. It's just pants. That's all you need to know. Okay. Where are we? So, Mo King. Yo, what's good, Izuju? How you been, brother? Hey, that's a cool beanie. Thank you, my bro. I just can't find my usual one I wear. So I gotta wear this one. Yeah, I don't normally wear this Red Bull one because can't fit the dome properly. Thank you, Andreas. Morning, everybody. Trying to study and chill out. Hope. Oh, cheer, bro. You'll be all good, brother. You'll be all good. Sometimes, you know, when you're studying too, it's good to have a break for yourself. Hold up, just checking this. So I was just drawing up this face. I had a look at the other screen because that's. Oh, is it? Nah, I'm on a few platforms today, brother. We're on the green. Oh, we're on purple, red, green, and TikTok. Thank you, Ant-Mac. Cheers, brother. Thank you, Jessica. Yeah, still getting there. Just trying to make sure that the face is all even all the way around. Yeah, just making sure that everything's all even all the way around. From what I can see, this mouth is not even. Yeah. Where are we? Yo, what up, Harry, over on the tube? How are you, brother? Where are we? Yeah, so all you have to do for the other side, my bro, is just make sure that, you know, the face you're doing, make sure it's symmetrical to the other side as well. Obviously, that's the main thing you always want to do. All the time. Sometimes with a lot of those old Tiki as well, they'll actually, there isn't really much detail to the faces that they do. Because it's quite, minimal, eh? But that's the beauty of all those old ones, in my opinion. Although, you know, there ain't much that's been done to them, they still have some of the most immaculate detail ever. Is this Tiki for on stage or just... this is a decorative Tiki. Fuck, I wouldn't wear something this size, that's stupid. Yeah, no, that's stupid if you wear a Tiki this size. Jack Bart, thank you very much. I'm getting my my younger brother to make my tonga. Oh, he's not my brother, but we're cousins, but we were brought up like brothers pretty much. So I'm getting him to make me one. I need a rubber. Hold up. One moment. I'm just going to look for a rubber. Thank you very much, brother Joe, for the roses. See fat one. Yeah, yeah. Nah, in my opinion, I don't see the... I don't see the need in wearing oversized tiki. I've seen a lot of people wear them too, but for me it's for me you just look like that guy. Alright. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of those wearing a big size tiki. Well, me, anyway. Okay. Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just drawing this up for now. It would be easier to do at the start of the stream. Go. Hello the lock fan. Sorry if there's a silly question, but I was singing in the background. Yeah, it's audio. But the competition for it was over the weekend, so I'm just listening to all the groups. Jamming all the groups that were on, pretty much. Okay, I believe, yeah, this Whanapanu, they come second. They came sixth. The only reason they came sixth is because they went overtime. Otherwise, they would have come second place. What up, just marking out chat. You always have that one kryptonite side when you're drawing. Yeah, so it's just a lot of adjusting here and there. we go. Just a bit off. How are we doing today, guys? How have you been? I know I haven't been live on YouTube or TikTok that much. Do you speak German? No, I don't, brother. Sorry. How you been, Pickle Prawn? Hope you've been doing good, my brother. Thank you very much for joining the YouTube stream, my bro. What's up, Ronan? How you doing, brother? There we go. Let's go. Something's throwing me off here. Hold up. Something be throwing me off a little bit, innit? Aí vou falar. When me and my homie were on South Island, we did a jade carving course. I mean, oh, nice, bro. Did you enjoy it, brother? I mean, if I wanted to, I could just get some cooking paper. There'd be a lot of imbalances, get to know. How long have you been working on this piece? I don't know, I don't really keep track of time. Hold on, chat. Here's a little something you can do, chat, over here. So if you want, you can just do this. See that? It's one little trick we do. There we go. So you can do that with a cooking paper. It's Tuesday. Maybe on your side of the world, it's Wednesday over here. We're a bit in the future, ain't it, fam? Yo, what's up? Maybe it's a silly question, but how do you differentiate the depth of your drawings? Like how deep you need to carve? Oh, bro, it's the thing is, when it comes to faces, hey, your high points are gonna be the nose and the mouth, and everything else will get dropped down. Like these are levels to all of it. So because this is on a different angle, that's why it's throwing me off. Might have to do a different face. I mean, I could always do the halves, you know. Okay, this mouth is not gonna go good. I need to sharpen my pencil. Living in the future, alright. Do you replicate the face on the other? That sounds so hard to do in my head. Oh, replicating? Oh. I'll be honest, brother, when you do it enough times, man, it's not really that hard. Like, even at the same time, you know, when it comes to symmetry, who said you had to do symmetry, you know? So, do better koroha kei te pēa koe? Because, if you look at a lot of the old carvings too, not all of them are symmetrical. Some of them have their own, you know, unique way about them. Those old fellas were pretty onto it back in the day. That's something I noticed about All the old carvings, they're not all symmetrical. And just the way they went about them, bro, it's like immaculate ass. Yeah, that's always something I noticed about all these older carvings, especially in my wharenui ara no toiti, my tawhiti, my bro. Beautiful whare. Centre of the universe out there for me. But yeah, for a lot of those, a lot of them, bro, I love those real old ones. Because you'll notice with a lot of old Tiki, they're not actually designed. A lot of them are legit pretty like a simplistic mold or simple mold, and but it's all in the, you know, the whole thing where it looks absolutely amazing. Ali, thank you very much for the follow on the green side. Get a natural. Good evening there, Aikatalia. Mine seeing those different eyes. Yeah, bro, there's all different shapes and sizes. That's the beauty of Whakairo, eh? Guess what, chat? That's one side. Now we have to do the other one, okay? Yeah, it's the second time I come to your stream and really illiterate about your culture. Do you mind explaining what a tiki is? Of course I can. So, before we do that, I will get a completed version for you to feast your eyes upon. Sub G! Literally your name, by the way. Hang on. Bro, watching Soda sort out punishments for OnlyFans. What's some of the punishments, bro? I'm down. Okay, what is a Hey Tiki? Now, a Hey Tiki, where the actual inspiration for the form came from, was from that of a newborn. So from a baby. So if you've ever seen a newborn child, I know there may be some people that haven't. They kind of, they don't move around a lot. They're like scrunched up. And this is one here. So they're normally scrunched up, eh? So they are not normally this size. Although in this day and age, there are those guys out there that'll wear one about this size. I don't know, just to make their nuts look bigger than they are. I don't know. But they're normally smaller. The Hey Tiki are normally smaller, okay? And they represent protection. They can represent your ancestors. Well, we named them after our ancestors. It represents fertility too, and the likes for our wahine or our ladies. Because where does a baby come from? Our wahine, our ladies. That's the superpower that they have, and that's how special they are in this world. Compared to, so you wear it. Yeah, it's a pendant, but this one's more of a decorative one. They're a lot smaller. So they're normally made out of grey wacky river stone, or onewa as we call it, or pounamu, nephrite jade is what we call it. And there are some tiki out there that are made out of timber too, or like rata or any hardwoods. So this is one that we did last year. Now I did the two different tiki forms in it, so you'll see the square side and the round side. Right here. So you see the round side is a lot more there. So you can see it there. Have you ever tried itching glass? Nah, not really, my bro. I just touch wood. And so you can see there. So I'm going to give a close look to everyone, okay? Right there. So this is one I just did for fun and a bit of revision too. Here we go. Hey Morgan. Yeah, so this is made out of rata, which is the same timber as my mallet here, so it's a hardwood. The only difference being is this one hasn't been used to hit chisels for like the last how many years. Thank you, Morgan. Do you wear it every day? People that own tiki do wear them every day. I don't own one. So in my tribe, where I'm from, they say tiki are only meant to be worn by women. But then my tribe on this side, some men wear them anyway because it's their ancestors. I don't have one, so I don't wear one. The thing with our culture, you don't necessarily buy or make your own taonga for tiki. It's something that should be gifted to you, in my opinion. But there are those out there that will make their own. Me personally, I don't have one, never been gifted one, so I don't wear one. Like for example, I was going to carve, so we've got the regional Kapa Haka competitions for our region next weekend, okay? And I'm performing. So I don't have a taonga. So I've asked my little brother or my cousin to carve me one. He's doing me a tiger shark too. What's the difference with Whakairo with the left eye? Oh, I just did it because I wanted to. No reason. Eddie, thank you for the 6 roses, my bro. Big Ed. Been a while since I've been in. Going through some stuff over west. You alright, brother? Bro, this head's pretty fucking huge, eh? I don't know if I like how big the head is. Now that I'm looking at it, this head seems a bit too big. Yeah, I don't know if I like it. Should I have it that big? Should be okay. Wahid Hassan, thank you very much for that, Aroha, brother. Well, I'm just doing our center lines. The most important thing to keep are your center lines. You do not want to lose those, okay? You never want to lose those. How's life? Your life over here is all good, bro. Chill as usual. Oh yeah. UI change, whole game turns Chinese. Gotta listen to Grayson's. Oh, fuck. Grayson's one's probably the hardest one. What's up, Dion? Do you ever work with metal? No, I never have. Okay, thanks, brother. I'll be honest, I have not watched F1. I just get gifted a lot of stuff from Red Bull. Don't mind me, chat, just skipping a few phases. Carve smarter, not harder. Oh, what in the leg is going on with our waiata? Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, midnight's been pretty fun. I was jamming with Panda, Touchpad Warrior, and Mr. Ree last night. I'm probably gonna stream more WoW during the night, because they just said jump on our collab streams, so I thought, you know, why not? Oh, that's right. Thank you, Filemon, for being here. What's up, Steven? Thank you for the rose. I'm just gonna go get a jacket, chat. I'm getting cold. Yo, Soccer to me, thank you very much for the raid. Hope you had a wonderful stream and welcome to you and your community as well. Kia ora, my name is Brooks. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. And yeah, it's pretty cold today. Not getting any younger, so I gotta try and look after myself so I don't get sick for a whole week. Hope you had a wonderful stream. And welcome on through. If you have any questions, I've been doing Whakairo since the age of 12. And it's just what I love to do in life. Well, I love my culture as a whole, I should say. Bro, it's cold as, bro. You're actually listening to songs, Tiki. What? My Brock stream was good, thank you. Love your work. Oh, thank you, Tuna. What were you up to on stream today? Sorry, I'm just speed running the drawing process. Okay, I think that's enough. We'll go to the other side now. So what do we need to do? Cut that off, cut that off, cut that off, cut that off. Alright. Oh, jeepers, this needs a sharpen. Fuck me, it does too. Sorry for that. Yo, Darius, thank you very much for the 1 rose, my friend. Okay, and now we have to cut that off too. So the case here, did I say that right? I was needle fitting. Oh, okay. I need to check out what you do. That sounds interesting. I need advice. Would you rather go for a lower paying job where you work from home, you're more free, or that pays more but have less freedom? Well, put it this way. What will benefit you more financially and mentally? You don't want to be stuck in a box. I think you know what the answer would be, bro. You want to be a meerkat or you want to be a stallion with his hair waving in the wind? That's what I'd say. But essentially, it's kind of up to you. World's going a bit tits up right now, you know. I'm probably going to fill up my car full of gas before it gets more expensive than it already is. With all the crap that's going on. I'm already considering just buying a longboard and scootering with my kids to their school. Save money. With the way the world's going right now. Because fuel is about to get expensive as hell. Thank you very much, Occasionally 63 for the galaxy. Oi. Thank you, brother. Sorry, my bro was sawing, and I didn't saw it. Just a little bit of a dead joke. Thank you very much, Occasionally. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, I am an OC. That is correct. Yo! Bill Bodabin, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. You are legit our first sub of the day. Thank you very much, my bro. Thank you very, very much for the Aroha, my bro. And also, Colton, thank you for the roses too. Thank you very much for the sub, man. I appreciate that, bro. We've got to mold this arm too. Oi! Pain the Trash Grinder 9001 with the 10 bomb. Oh, thank you very much, Pain, whoever you are. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. Thank you very much, brother. It is very much appreciated. I'm sorry I can't do subathons, guys, at the moment, because I have to be a parent. And also focusing on Kapa Haka right now for our competition next week. But I promise I will get a subathon going. I get told every day to do one to get the count up, but yeah, at the moment I can't. But thank you very much, Payne. Thank you, brother. Also, thank you to Junk Gnomes for the 1 manawa. What's the biggest thing you've ever made? On my own, I did these 2 maihi on my own. They were my first carvings I ever did on Twitch. If you want to go and look at the very earlier stuff, or I can just upload a video of it after the live so you can see it. Thank you very much, Payne, once again, brother. Okay, I've got to chomp down a bit more with this. Okay, that should be enough. I've also got a bit of a well child visit too. How you been, Marjo? How's Chody been? I know he's been slamming some well too. I never knew Zakid played as well. Okay. Hey, how you doing, Joe? Joe Grimes. Wait, isn't that where's Coral? Where's Coral? In saying that, is Walking Dead still going? Man, I stopped watching that show a long time ago. Kind of lost interest in it when Rick Grimes kind of got taken out. Oi. Sharp Balloons. Hello, thank you very much for the raid and welcome. Kia ora, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. Welcome through to the stream. Now I gotta ask, do you do like those animal balloons on stream? Hello. Senior Dojo, Luke. Yeah. Yeah, I was there with some of the boys. Oh, wait, you actually do? Oh, hang on. I've got to follow. I need to see some of these creations. Okay, I'm looking forward to your next stream, my friend. I'll definitely be there. Bro, that's cool. I gotta show my kids your channel. They absolutely love I don't know how to say this. Balloon craftsmen. They're always in awe of how they always do it. They didn't make anything out of balloons. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna show my kids your stream. They'll absolutely love it, I say. What's up, my dad? What's the most complex thing you've ever made? Oh, do you? Oh, check it out, bro. Oh, sorry, sis. Sorry, I say that all the time. It's getting late for me. I'm going to bed. All good, man. Have a good sleep, eh? And we'll see you next time. Thank you, Zach, for the heart on TikTok. What are you making today? I'm just cleaning up the side of a face right now. I'll show you soon. So let me get this out of the way. Because we have to work on the shoulder. Just a quick one. Alright. So that's all we're up to today. Oh, I don't know, something about this makes me wonder. Is the head too big? I feel like it might be slightly. I'll leave it as is for now, and then we'll carry on. Alright, I've got to be careful with this. You develop your own designs. No, everything I do has been passed down. It's all generational knowledge. Nothing I do is all me. It's all been done before by my ancestors before me as well. Sorry, Chad, it's getting cold. So the snotty nostrils will make more of an appearance. Alright. Oh, thank you, Sharp. What kind of wood are you using? I'll be honest, I'm just using pine. That's not even on the voice properly. So this is one that's not made out of pine. Go on there. So that's made out of rata. R-A-T-A. Oh, what's the song, bro? This tune is from like an old song and it's like they're in a circus. So this is one that we did last year, this Tiki. So this is made out of the same timber as my mallet, so it's a hard timber. So that's one that we've done. But yeah, this one's just normal Andy pine. I'll leave it for now. I'm overthinking. I think about 10 different things at once while I'm doing this sometimes. Sorry chat, just a lot of little things we gotta do right now. Yeah. Thank you very much, Townie. Okay. What's up, Snowflake? Alex, thank you very much for the roses and the heart too, my bro. What's up, G-Code? Did I say hello to you? Sorry if I didn't. Well, what's up, R? What type of wood is this? This is just pine butter. Do you think your kids will carry on all your cultural traditions? I think when it comes to this, they probably won't because I have girls. Now, okay, story time. Let me just do this. Story time, story time. Thank you, Christopher. Now, when it comes to... Keep in mind that I'm a girl dad, eh? I'm a girl dad. I don't have any sons. When it comes to Whakairo, I don't think they will be the ones that will carry it on. Why? Because... Long story short, they have no interest in it. But at the same time, they're girls too. Now, in a traditional sense, women didn't really carve in those times. Because a lot of the time with Whakairo, even in this day and age, we carve a lot of our ancestors, and where are they? They're gone, they're dead. And Whakairo, what realm Whakairo is in is the polar opposite to what our wahine or our ladies are in. Wahine bring life into the world, eh? And carvers a lot of the time will carve those that are deceased. So you can kind of see, like, in those days they didn't really mix the two together. Or they didn't really like that kind of ideal way of thinking that wahine should be around that kind of stuff. So it's more so just to protect them in the long run. Because wahine in our culture are the most sacred people to us, you know. Because they were the ones that carry on, you know, the tribe or the family, etc., whatever it may be. So I haven't really shown my kids or my daughters that kind of stuff. Like, they know of carving itself, Whakairo, and what I do. They know some of the designs, but I don't expect them to become carvers, you know, because of the way I was taught. Like, my uncle taught me traditionally, and the school I went to is exactly the same as well. So I think for both my kids, they'll carry on doing Kapa Haka just like me, which you can hear in the background, the performing side of it all. But genuinely, you know, I can only do so much. It's really up to them to meet us halfway, me and their mum. But yeah, you know, I'm a girl dad, so that's probably the main thing for me. Although, you know, I've been teaching a few people here and there, like just giving them pointers and whatnot. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I have no expectation for them to be a carver like me because of the way I was taught. So yeah, hope that helps. So relax. Yeah, I'm gonna fill up my car tomorrow too, just before fuel prices go through the fucking roof. But yeah, I think when it's on sunny days, chat, I'm gonna longboard to school with my kids while they ride their scooters. Maybe when you will be a grandfather, you could show them. Hopefully not anytime soon. Eyes of a hawk when they become teenagers, my bro. Eyes of a hawk. I see my daughter's future significant others holding hands, you expect that fella's got to hold my hand if he walks inside my house. You got a pussy handshake? Nah. I'm overprotective, and I wear that on my chest. Oh, good man. You asked me a question, so definitely, gonna give you my answer. Hope that helps, my friend. It's really a different style, but I love it. Yeah. It's the beauty of it, eh? Everyone around the world has a different style. Just flew back from NZ. Oh, how long were we over here for, brother? Also, I just watched the that Pokemon trailer this morning. I think a lot of people are gonna like that fire type, man. What's his name? Pombon? Is that Taco Frog? Yeah, a lot of people are gonna get like that fire dog. Winter Nelson, sure. I like the one with the monobrow. Yeah, the one with the monobrow looks pretty funny, eh? I'm here for the Rock Lee bird. Yeah, bro. Oh, mono, bro. I cracked up as soon as I saw the monobrow bird, man. Him and his I hate everyone look, eh? Another water type lizard? Yeah, that one's giving final evolution humanoid form, bro. I can't with humanoid Pokemon anymore after that thing. That's just two Uggs. The fact that they did that, eh? pegging Pokemon is crazy. Thank you very much, Odin Music, for the tiny dinos. Thank you, brother. Yeah, bro. I see them now and I'm like, lazy design. Be cool to see what other Pokemon are gonna be in this new one. I just pulled some barbecue rib sounds on. Love from Australia. Morning, Top Head. How are you, brother? It looks way better. Yeah. How you doing today, Uzo? I'm doing good. Doing good. Still recovering from training over the weekend. Oh no, I just can't shake this little tweak in my knee. Thought resting up would help, but it's still there. Just a little bit. Thank you very much, Odin, for the 100 roses, my bro. Thank you, brother. Hey, there he is. Thank you, Odin. Morning, mods. How you been, man? Is this a different project for a couple of days ago? Or is it the same one still? We're just doing started cutting out the parts on the head now. So we're gonna start shaping the head soon. I've been away a couple of days off the tools. I've come to find out that after training on Mondays, my body needs another day to recover. So I just stayed inside. I have so many brothers in the military who came from Hawaii, Caledonia, or carving to. Oh, did they? Are they practicing for something in the background? No, this is just Kapa Haka. They had one of the regional competitions over the weekend. Our one, the one I'm in, is next weekend. I'll most likely post the link up in my Discord. We're on at 10:45 or 10:40, which is like 9 minutes ago. So this time 9 minutes ago. Pabito, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, good sir. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a bit and give you the insider, okay? So, we've got our competition next week, okay? And okay. So our competition is next week, okay? And I might be in a trio, no, a quartet at the start, okay, singing, by the way. So yeah, I'll make sure before we hit the stage to post that link in the Discord, so you can watch it and watch me do another side to my culture. Go through to my Instagram page too, and you can follow the actual Instagram page as well, where you'll see a lot of our updates. We won't be uploading any of the material that we do, which will only be up like after our performance is done. And then you can check it out for yourself, pretty much. But that's what we're gonna be up to, guys. So yeah, our regional competition is next weekend. Nervous. I haven't stood on stage in front of many people in a long time. And the history behind them. True, I'd love to go to Hawaii one day. Oahu in particular, to like learn from everyone. So yeah, we're on at 10:40, 10:45 NZ time. Just before the lunch break, okay? So I hope everyone who does tune in enjoys the competition or enjoys the performance, because I know once their competition's done, it'll feel a relief to get our weekends back. But I've been pretty good with my my eating. So we started practice back in November, but I had started dieting the month before, and so I've lost quite a bit of weight too. I'll be performing for Te Rotoru Anui a Kahumata Momoe, Uncle Ed's new group. Oh, I think I'm in the group there. Kia ora, Alex, how are you? You've been watching Six Nations? I don't even watch TV, brother. So yeah, that's the group I'll be performing for. To those that don't know what that is, so we do like you have 30 minutes to do your program. What's up, Uchi? Hey. So you have 30 minutes to do your program, and pretty much after that, so you start with your entry, and then you do a moteate, which is like an old traditional song, and what's after that? You do your action song, so it's actions with hand actions. Then the poi, which is an implement I've shown on stream before. Then the haka, which is probably what majority of the people know what a haka is, but this is done properly. Okay. You'll see, and then after that is an exit song before we get off the stage, pretty much. So you'll see that next weekend. I miss Engine so much. I used to live in Mount Cook, like on the cold. How was it down south, my bro? Is it cold where you are? It's getting cold. It's getting cold. Do you support Wanaka FC? I don't even know what that is. Like, is that a group? Like a what kind of sports team? Yeah, pretty much, Willex. Pretty much. Oh, it's a football club. Oh, I don't watch football, brother. Sorry. Hey, you gonna watch that? Yeah, good. You better. E mata ki koe a papa ni. Ai. It's traditional. All haka we do is traditional. But I definitely enjoy the South Island, but that's still pretty mean. Oh, Papa's performing for Tuarangi. Yeah, I know other bro. Tukiri in the Monday. She is Uchi. Where can we watch? I will post up the link to it on Friday. No doubt they'll put the link up on Friday. Or you can just go to Maori TV. Hey, stay in the blanket, it's cold. Stay in the blanket, it's cold. No, too cold. Yeah, Maori TV be the when the website to watch it on. Sorry, I'm just holding the baby. Mwah. No. Oh, you little monkey. Oh, yeah. Should we change our team, eh? Change our team, play another group? Mwah. Who have we listened to so far? Tauira. Yeah. Oh, whakarawa papa kia tauira mai tawiti. Okay, where are we? Yo, brother Joe Diute, how are you, my bro? How you been, brother? How you been? Sorry, I'm just keeping baby off the screen. No, you can't touch that. No. Carl. Stop trying to touch. Does Haka, H-A-K-A. Broder, thank you very much for the follow over on the green. Only Warchan. Yeah, so a Haka's was done before like going into war, right? So another purpose of the Haka was to hopefully scare the opposition away so no fight would have to take place. But 9 times out of 10 our ancestors went duked it out anyway. The last time it was used properly, like for its old purpose, was by our forefathers in the World Wars, like all our grandfathers and whatnot, in the trenches. So ha, meaning breath, ka, to ignite. A lot of fiery words with fiery actions, okay? So these are all different types of haka, you know, haka with set actions, haka without any set actions. There's haka that talk about, you know, historical moments in our history, like all the land wars. There's even some that talk about, you know, the mass unaliving of all our people in specific moments in our history that are not spoken about by schools and mainstream media, like November 5th in Kapa Haka. Where else? What else? More modern ones, there's haka about, you know, these 3 dickheads that run the country right now. And there's also haka about whakamomori, which is a big thing that affects a lot of young Maori and people alike. Gosh, you little shit. And te mate whakamomori is, you know, when one takes their own life, kind of thing. So that's a big thing. Like that's always been a big thing amongst our people all the time. Can you not? Hey. Yeah, play with Dad's drink for him. Look at that. Nice and boring. So I'm just holding baby. So there's many different types of haka out there. Not gonna say what our one's about, but you'll see. Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, I'm not really out here to, tell you what we're doing, kind of thing. You just have to wait till the performance. Kia ora from Scotland. Kia ora, brother Logan. What's up, Freddie? Thank you very much for the manawas, bro. Okay. Off you go. Bye. Kakite. Right, love you. So I hope that helps when it comes to the haka. So yeah. Oh, another item that I forgot to mention is the coral. So a coral is an optional kind of item. It's a non-aggregate item where you like sing, it's just a song you sing at the start basically. Oh, thank you very much, Justin. I'm alright, brother. I may not be the best, but I do what I can. So I hope that helps Willex. Yeah, so the competition, so one of the regional competitions just finished over the weekend. Streams is the best and at this day. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. We'll just have a little bit more of a yarn and then we'll get back into it. What's up, Macon? How you, my bro? How you today, matey? Other than being very cold, you're not too bad. Not too bad. It is a bit cold though, but holy. How do I go about learning Whakairo? It would depend where you are. Best way, if there's someone in your family that knows Whakairo, that's always a win there. If you know of someone that does Whakairo, that's another one there. Otherwise, your best bet would be Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. I know they have a carving course, or I think Raukawa has one too, if you're anywhere near there. Cheerio, brother Justin. Appreciate you, my bro. If I can always make a nice cheeky place on the internet for you guys, and you can chill here and do your thing, all good. Are you Max? I don't even know who that is, so probably not. Sorry, bro. I'll be honest, I get these from Red Bull because I'm partnered with them. I don't watch F1. I wish Guam had Hakas. Much love to that. Hey, Che Caius. No, wait, I do know that name. He's one of the drivers, eh? I thought that name was familiar. Yeah, sorry, bro. Yeah, they just sent me Kias. Neil Bridge, thank you very much for the roses, my brother. How you, Casper Fantoma? Thank you, brother Neil. Bro, I didn't know Raukawa did carving. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have Red Bull course. What do you do with Red Bull? Oh, I do like, appearances for them here and there for events, or I'll carve trophies for their events too. They were the first ones that approached me way back in the day. I think it's just more of a relationship there. Like they were sending me product every month, but there was a point where I felt like it was a bit too much, so I asked not to be sent, monthly Red Bulls all the time as well. Mackin, sure, brother. Oh, Mackin, okay, brother. Just got out of work. What's the time over there, Casper? I thought they just contributed to the culture to teach the language. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Ngāti Raukawa has a carving course. I could be wrong, but I think they do. One of the bros, one of my cousins in the Haka group, he's gonna apply for the carving school I went to as well. I've been encouraging him the whole time. Just do it. Go hard. Be good for him. Be very good for him. Where are we? Sydney support from Dubai. Bro, I've been seeing the missiles and being intercepted in Dubai. That's crazy, man. Crazy times, I must say. Off up to a 4-week night class to see if it's... Oh, true. Okay. That's interesting. What's up, Stevie? I'm wondering if I should make this head a bit smaller, eh? That's a bit too big, bro. Where are we? Just making sure I keep up with all the chats. Okay, I think we're good. I think I'm up to date with everything. Yeah, I was sleeping in the US consultant. There was apparently struck, so I woke up by everyone. Oh, really? Yeah, because I got a mate over there that's living in Dubai. I was like, how's it? He's like, oh, it's interesting. Because I was on a call with him and he just said, and they just heard this boom. And he goes, look, they just intercepted a missile. I went, fuck, that's crazy, bro. You know, I kind of, you know, I'm a bit grateful that I live here in Aotearoa. Because not a lot of crazy stuff like that ever happens here. In saying that though, there has been a few like out the gate moments in the country. Not saying that we're invincible to that kind of stuff, but yeah, there has been some of those crazy moments in the country as well. But yeah, I gotta say, as a whole, man, the world right now, it's scary, eh? It kind of made me sit down and kind of look at my children for a bit. I was like, fuck. Because, you know, more for them than myself. Because, yeah, as a parent, man, it's pretty scary and daunting thing knowing that a lot of that shit is going on out there. But at the same time, I'm grateful that they don't know. So they can, you know, continue to live their lives as they do. But, yeah, it does make me think quite a bit, like, what's going to happen. Friends still go out, but they still, wow, man, nuts on your friends, my bro. But yeah, those are probably some of the things that I think about when it comes to, you know, moments like that happening around the world. And I'll be honest, I don't think having another kid would be worth. Because me and my wife were thinking of having like one more. But in the world we live in right now, I'm wondering, you know, I think it would be kind of rad to bring another child into the world with how it's going about at the moment. Just my way of thinking about it as well. Hey, what's up, brother B? Yo, Brandon, thank you very much for the ferns, my bro. Okay, let's get back to it, eh? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make the head this big, eh? That's too big. Yeah, that's too big in my opinion. Compared to the rest of the body, yeah, I'm gonna shrink it down. I'll go over it in my own time though. Okay, for now we're gonna carry on with the shoulder. Okay, I don't want to sit down too long. What's the time over there? It is currently 10 minutes past 11. So I'll continue cleaning up the shoulder, eh? What day are we? On the 4th of March. Hey, morning, Jiggy. I've been getting invested in all these drawing series that you've been doing too. Are you doing places now? I love it when you're live. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you very much, brother. Just glad there's people here to yarn with, man. Hello from Australia. What's up, Carrie C? I'm honestly surprised many people are enjoying it and looking forward to them daily that I've grown up around. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I saw that the latest one you did. I don't know the name of it, but it was a yellow building. Which island did you grow up on, Jiggy? I feel like I've asked you this, but I've forgotten. Oh, you are from Oahu. Yeah, yeah. I thought so. I'm pretty sure I asked you about Makaha ages ago. Well, I'm from Lagrange. Where's that at, Aiden? It's a very unique name. I probably said it so wrong too. I do apologize about my pronunciation. Was a pain, not really. Yeah, I'd love to go to Oahu one day. And then, if the opportunity ever came about, go and help Kaina Makua at his farm. That would be fun. Okay, TikTok. It's about that time of the day. My phone is getting a bit flat, so I might finish up there for now. Thank you very much for all the aroha today, everyone on TikTok. I'm on NZ. I'll probably try and go to Oahu one day in my life. So thank you all for joining our TikTok stream, guys. I'll see you later. Peace out. And tune in tomorrow, okay? Thank you for the aroha today. Bye-bye. So, Jet. Yeah, it's getting cold as well, brother. Do you have any advice for a 20-year-old? 20-year-old? Kind of depends. What's going on? Oh, that's right, you're in Brisbane, eh? So it'll be hot as shit over there. That's right. I keep forgetting you're in Aussie. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do the hit this big chat. It needs to be shrunk. Yeah, I keep forgetting you're an Aussie. I need to figure it out. Any advice? So are you just feeling like a little bit lost right now? I'm just trying to understand the angle first. Did you see Oda wrote down the One Piece? What then dropped? Did you see Oda wrote down what the One Piece was, then dropped? Wait, what? Where was this? I haven't felt like I know what to do and I don't know. Just like trying so hard. Are you at home at all, my bro? And like your Whakairo? If you're not, because what that's telling me is that you need to go home, my bro, for a couple. Your batteries are low. You need a recharge, my bro. That's what that's telling me. Peter, what's up, brother? Over on the tube. Hey, Peter. Yeah, that's telling me you need a bit of a disconnect day, bro. Just disconnect from everyone. Go home or go and spend some time with Komatua or your family. That's what that's telling me, my bro. The batteries are low. We got our own whare. Is that where you grew up, though? Like, if I was like that, I'd go back to Ruatahuna. That's where I'd go. So maybe just gotta go to that place, my bro. Yeah, that's genuinely what I do, bro. Just go home, disconnect for a couple days, and just recharge. Cause that's what I'm getting from you, brother, is that you need to give yourself some time for yourself. I should go and pick up my goddaughter today. What's your days this week, brother? Sorry, just messaging my brother. It's got no car now. They broke down last week and I felt like everything was scattered. Oh, jeez. What's up, cowboy? How you doing there, cowboy? You goddamn cowboy. Yeah, I feel like I gotta make this face a bit smaller. See, if you look at this one, that's a bit smaller, eh? Yeah, I feel like the head doesn't scale that well. It's too big. So I have to scale it down. Did we just disconnect you? Did we just disconnect you? Yo, Synod! What's up, man? Thank you very much for the raid, dude. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. What have you been carving today, man? Or what have you been sculpting today? Random, I just got a message from my brother, chat. Bro, you see the final One Piece Season 2 trailer? No. The bro was just saying Oda threw the what the One Piece was in the water. Is it on YouTube? Well, I can't believe it's almost over, eh? Crazy to think that it's almost coming to an end. Check TikTok DMs. Okay, checking TikTok DMs. So I've got some person called Cougar. Hey friend, do you want to receive my support? Cougar man, I'm a big supporter of your content. Can we have a quick chat? Then we got Cougar Puma. Can you reply to me? I have a surprise for you. We've got Cougar. Tell me what present you want and I'll help you. And then we've got an actual... Oh shit, I was hopeful there. Bro, you're so cool. I've prepared a surprise for you. Can you reply? When's your next live stream? I want to send you a TikTok universe gift. Okay, alright. I get a lot of DMs from bots, okay? Jeez, leave me alone. But no DM from the bro. Oh, there it is.
What is the One Piece?
Okay.
That answer has been determined since the very beginning. The secret never written down. Kept in the mind of creator Eiichiro Oda. At long last, it has been inscribed on paper.
What does that say? Oh, he's sealing it.
Until the whole story is revealed. The truth will rest far beyond anyone's reach. At the bottom of the ocean.
Okay, someone's uncle that owns that submarine knows where it is. Not gonna lie, I thought your DMs would be worse than that. Oh, bro. Different trailer that I saw and watched. The one that I saw had Smoker in it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I watched Breezy. Thank you for the 66 months, my bro. Okay. I feel like this man is trolling us. And I'll be honest. I think the One Piece set... I think the One Piece is gonna be a full... Clip this too. I think the One Piece is gonna be the full series DVD collection of the whole One Piece franchise. I feel like he's trolling us. It's not no treasure, it's not anything magnificent. I reckon it's just fucking copies of the actual anime itself. I don't know, it's giving me that kind of vibe, man. That's what I'm getting from that. That would be pretty funny if it was, though. Interesting. Interesting there, Oda. Always, pulling our legs there, fella. Sorry, just grabbing the speaker. Why is this not going? Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, I feel like he's trolling us, man. That's the general feeling I get from whenever Oda does something like this. Biggest troll in anime. Yeah, sorry about that as well, guys. My little brother, or half brother, sent me a message asking how I am, which is random for him to do because that's not him. One thing about him, chat, he's been in and out of prison quite a bit, okay? And no matter how much he's tried to better his life, he always falls short again. Like he's always falling short. And he just messaged me. He never really does. Which is interesting to me that he did. So as some of you may not know, my dad actually walked out on my mum ages ago. Like just walked out on her, left her with me and my sister at the time, and then found someone else and, you know, started a family. And yeah, I just got a message from one of his sons, like my half brothers, just asking, you know, how I am and asking for advice as well, which is random. He never asked for advice. That's not the type of person he is, but yeah, he's been in and out of jail, gang life and all that, and I actually stepped up to him. Obviously he's smaller than me, but still. I stepped up to him and because he wasn't doing so well, kind of had to give him the big brother pep talk and sort your fucking life out kind of thing. And I think the thing that hit him was, don't be a loser like our dad. And I think that hit him quite hard, and he's doing good for himself so far. I hope he carries it on, that's the thing. Yeah, that was the one thing I said to him, don't be a loser like our dad. Because he wasn't really much of a father figure for me and them, from what I've seen. And he had like 13 kids, 13 sons, by the way, to his other wife, or his wife, that I think he's still with. And yeah, he's all the sons that he has have been going through it, eh? Like no clear path, no role models, nothing like that. They ended up palming their kids off to other people. And yeah, just gang life, majority of them. But the older one has gotten out of it, which I'm very proud of, I must say, as the older brother. But yeah, it's been a bit weird. If I could have had them all, I probably would have, but I can't do that now because I got my own family. I think it's a next level troll, and the One Piece is the ocean in the story. Bro, I wouldn't be surprised, eh? I feel like it's gonna be something totally dumb, bro, but funny at the same time. I feel like I would have just avoided. Yeah, so him, the 3 older ones, yeah, in and out of prison, unfortunately, except one. But one of the older ones, he's like real illiterate, eh? He can talk English, but no life skills or anything like that. He's just real in his shell. And grateful for one of the uncles for taking him under his wing, but one of the younger ones, he got kicked out. But he's a parent now to him and his partner. I mean, he's doing good, he's working, because I see him around town all the time. But yeah, I ended up just giving them, like, you know, the big brother pep talks that I have to do. But yeah, that seemed to work. If you want to be useless and be like our dad, then you're on the right path. And yeah, they pretty much just said, I don't want to fucking be like him, so we'll change. Yeah, it's been weird. It's been weird. Like, even their mum don't want to look after them. It's like, why have kids then? That's why I'm grateful that, you know, my mum solo carried me. And then my grandparents raised me when she wanted to go study. That's why I'm completely different to them. I don't give two shits about gangs and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a weird thing to navigate with them too. Because they're constantly asking for advice on what to do. I like, you can only give it so much, but I tell them you gotta meet that requirement halfway. It's not just one-sided, you gotta do it too. So it's pretty sad that they're going through a lot of shit right now. I appreciate you, Jiggy. Yeah, the older one, so his first baby mama, chose a keeper, I must say, because sarcasm, by the way. She weaponized the kids against them, pretty much, or their kids. Yeah, she weaponized their kids against them for a long time. And I just told him, you can't be with someone that does that. Because they're gonna do it to you all the time. No, it's next weekend, my bro. Next weekend. It was another regional competition this weekend. I might have to start rounding these off, eh? Damn it. Nah. How's the voice feeling? Oh, getting better, getting better. Just been smashing back the Formula 44 so I don't get sick. Cheers, brother cowboy. Thank you, my brother. Hopefully, my bro, I just told them, you know, they gotta put in the effort themselves as well. Sorry, just checking my phone. All right. So put your best face on, everybody. What's up, Winston? Yeah, we need to shrink this face right down. Kia ora, Instagram, how yous? How yous doing? How yous doing? Jeez, I didn't know the live started that fast. Jeez. What's up, Darren? What's up, Lucas? What's up, Laszlo? What kind of chicken have you? What kind of chicken you have that makes that sound? None, bro. Far out, viewers die off quite fast on Instagram lives, eh? Mind you, I don't do them much, so fair enough. Fair enough. How are you guys? Yeah, I think I want to shrink this right down. Where's our pencil? What's up, Darren? How are you, brother? Morning, John, over on YouTube. How are you, bro? Where are we? Just trying to keep up with all the chats. Jesus, move fast on Instagram. Take that much off the top. Where are we? How are you getting into wood carving? So, I've been doing Whakairo since I was 12 years old, and now I'm 34. So, roughly around 22 years is how long I've been doing it for. So yeah, a little while. Much love, HM. How you doing, man? Yeah, so I've been at it for a wee bit. Surviving here in Dubai. Yeah, I heard it's been pretty crazy. One of my mates lives in Dubai. And he caught some of the intercepts on camera. Which is bloody crazy to think, hey. I'm from WA. Yeah, how's it going, mate? What's up, Ty Moon? so we're just doing this at the moment. Double-sided one. I'm just wondering if I should shrink the head down a bit more. She's a bit high. Hello from Chile. Hola. How's it all the way in Chile? What's up, Melanie? How you doing? Okay, just making sure I keep up with everybody. Jeez, it's getting bright, eh? So just cleaning up me station. Here we go. Where are we? What's going on in the background? Kapa Haka, my culture. Cheer from Melbourne. Kia ora, beast. This is a Hey Tiki we done ages ago. This one here. Yeah, we done this last year. And this is the current one we're doing. But I'm probably going to shrink the head down because that's too big. Yeah, so 2 sides. Yeah, it's a bit, the head's a bit too big. So I might take some off the top here. And off the top here. Because I gotta shrink this down, like, if you look at it, the head's like way too big compared to the body. So I don't want it to be too big for the body. Watching from Missouri. How's it over there in Missouri? Yeah, I just wanted to do Instagram to say hello, that's all. Because I don't do Instagram lives majority of the time. Yeah, so I think I gotta sit on this and just look over it for a bit, because yeah, that's a bit too big. Cold and raining. Genuinely, man, I cannot wait for our performance, eh? So our regionals is next weekend. And I cannot wait to have something fatty. I have, I started dieting back then, so we've lost quite a bit of weight. Love from Chicago. Hey, what's up, brother? Chicago bull in the house. What up? Yeah, oh well, we'll see. I don't really like being that guy saying we're gonna win, my bro. Just if we win, we win. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy. We're here to win and then don't even place. That's the last thing I want to do, my bro. But yeah, we shall soon see. Okay, yeah, my phone is getting hella flat now. Alright. What is this stuff? Alright, Instagram, I'll see you later. This was just a hard and fast live. I'll see you around. Thank you very much for watching all my stuff and liking my posts. Have a good day. Choo-choo. I just thought I'd do a cheeky live on the old Instagram. Okay, for the last part of the stream, I think it's just going to be a yapping stream, so let's chill out. I won't lie, I'm still in a bit of pain, eh? I think that's why I was a bit slow on the carving today. I need to go for a cold plunge or a spa. Oh. Yeah, I think a cold plunge or a spa is definitely needed for the body, my friends. Hey, what's up, Lommy? Your name's familiar, but I can't remember when you used to watch my bro. Oh, bro, I've changed up my thing again. So I'm just having egg whites for breakfast, like 3. Lunch will most likely be chicken breast, I think. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't actually thought about that. Always a peaceful place. Oh, as long as it's good for people, man. I need to figure out ways on how to pick the channel back up. I will say though that I don't think Whakairo is as popular as it used to be on the channel. So it's just a matter of trying to find new things to do as well. Because those are the things I'm always constantly thinking about. Always. Our reels are not doing too bad as well. Quiet dude. Thanks, brother. Yeah, Red Bull sends me this stuff all the time. Get out there, yeah. So it's been hard. Like for me, I'm wondering if I may need to change up what I'm doing. Like these are just things that I think of. Like as we carry on, I'm thinking, because I feel like with streaming, you gotta constantly change in order to stay ahead. And because all I'm doing is Whakairo non-stop all the time, I've got to try and figure out different things to do, I think. Just some Whakairos that I've been having lately as well. Because I think it's safe to say that the stream is kind of on a downward. It has been for a couple months now. So I feel like that's my fault in a way too, that I've got to try and figure out different things to do. And yeah, I don't mind it being my fault, because you know it is my channel. But yeah, I know with streaming as a whole, it won't last forever. So we'll try and make the most of it with you guys as much as possible, and try and stream as much as possible too. and we'll see how we go. Because I'm not some, you know, clip farming controversial dickhead that tries to do that shit every day. It's just not something I'm really into. I know it gets views, but that's just something I do not get into, man. Like, even some people, like, even got a few messages from mates that were saying maybe even try going onto another, you know, platform and full timing it there. But I feel like as a whole, I don't want to leave Twitch because it's kind of the platform that we made home, and it's the place where I'm most comfortable on. Well, yeah, I've been doing a few gym streams here and there, but that's a hard thing for me too. I try not to get people in it. I'm not really like most people where I just slam my tripod in the middle of the gym and go hard. What's up, main Vith? So yeah, it's just thinking of stuff to do at the moment. So I do have ideas that I want to do for YouTube, but when it comes to stream, no, not yet. I have been given a pricing system on how much an IRL setup is, a newer one. My bro actually makes them, and he's made a smaller compact version. And he sent me a list of all the stuff that I need. And saying that too, it's another hard thing for me to do a dono goal while I'm just streaming normally. I feel like you should only do a dono goal while you're doing a subathon, maybe. Because we used to do a lot of IRL streaming as well. But the IRL streams I kind of did was just more surrounded around my culture. Yeah. Which reminds me, I need to ask my mate for that video. Hold on, I'm just messaging one of my friends that edited a video for me. Gosh, it goes to show how much I don't use Facebook. Sorry, I forgot all about that. Did I hear a possibility of a walk around NZ? Oh yeah, I've done a few of those. But in order for me to do that, I gotta kind of save up for an IRL setup. And I'm that guy. I'm too much of that guy to make a dono goal. Should I do it? Because I won't do anything without this, you know, the yes from you guys, because that's one thing about me. I always get a bit iffy about doing dono goals. Thoughts, chat? Thoughts since we're having these kind of convos? I actually like these kind of conversations as well. So let me see if I still got it. Hold on, chat. He sent it in a chat, like the pricing for everything. And then she was doing it and they caught it all. Yeah, I think the only way I can do that is by getting a whiteboard to show like different tribal styles, that's for sure. Yeah, so I got the Google Doc on what he... Yeah, bro. So the most expensive thing out of this whole IRL setup is the IRL camera. See, that's what makes me iffy about doing it. You reckon the IRL pack would be able to handle a stream out of a phone? Nah, you need Starlink. I sent that back. I sent that back to Twitch last year, so I don't even have it. Yeah, you'd need Starlink to do a rural one like that, but then again, it may not be enough as well. Oh, Mainvin, no, you focus on your goal in life too. Yeah, I think the best way to do a Ruatauna one would be to just do a YouTube video. I do want to take my kids there after the regionals though to go and clean up my sister's grave. That's actually a plan of ours once Kapa Haka's all over and I get my weekends back. That's something that we're going to do. I gotta take baby to go and see her auntie. So that's definitely something that I'm gonna do. Maybe I might have to take the camera for that, eh? I mean, you help me find. Oh no, you're right. Don't you do that? Don't you do that? Oh, what's up, Herster? Yes. Bro, I'm enjoying these conferences though. I don't normally speak about this kind of stuff, eh? Chilly today, bro. It has been pretty cold today, my bro. Pretty cold, but hey, still got to carry on. I said I would be back outside today, and we are. Fuck. Also, chat, I've got to shave my legs for hookers, so the stencil sticks to my legs. I hate doing that too. Any leg shaving lords in the chat know what to do. I don't want to use a shaver because it might get the ingrowns. Yeah, as soon as I said, oi, gonna have to tame those legs. It's like, never been a fan of it, man. Never been a fan of it. Hey Brox, how are you? I'm good, man. We just finished carving for the day. We're kind of chilling out, having a yarn. Probably be on for the next 10 minutes, and then I'll head out. I've got to figure out what I'm having for lunch, man. Yeah, but multi-streaming. Yeah, I stream on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. So those are the platforms I stream on daily. Which has been all good. Like, obviously, YouTube and Kick are much more quieter. The loudest one is TikTok, but I don't know, I think I got taken off the TikTok creator program today. Yeah, I think I got taken off. Yeah, I think I might have got taken off. I'm not too sure. Wait. Okay, apparently we're going to get Sushi Gallery for lunch. My wife messaged me, by the way. She'll probably have it. I probably won't. Too heavy. Okay, see my granddad. Yeah, that'll help, man. When we had Kapa Haka practice over the weekend at my marae, I went up to go and see my nan. One thing I do need to do though is go and take the baby up to see my grandmother. I haven't done that yet, and main reason being is because she carries her name. I follow your work on IG. I never hop on here, but I love your work. Just wanted to give you a prime sub. Now do me. Oh, thank you, brother. Thanks for tuning into all the Instagram stuff too. I know it's a mixture of gaming and carving these days, and some random thoughts I have like red onions, and yeah, but that's pretty much where I'll post most of my stuff. My Instagram is doing so much better than my TikTok in terms of views. But thank you very much, Nadumi, and appreciate the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Yeah, it definitely helps, man. Like just going to, I do it all the time, brother. Just going, like obviously, you know, they've passed on. I still talk to my nan as if she's there. Have you played the recent? No, I have not played the recent Resident Evil game. Is it any good? I don't know if they could top that big lady of the last one, eh? Everyone lost their minds over her, eh? That big lady with the big head. Thank you, Pagan, for the follow over on the green site as well. Alright. Hi, greetings from Germany. What is this cool music? So, in the background you can hear one of the so we have these things called regional Kapa Haka competitions going on around the country at the moment. This one was over the weekend, and it all starts. You have a 30-minute program, entry song, etc., etc. And that was the entry song, or the action song I heard. Where do you stream games? Still yet to find out. Twitch, Kick. I do have a gaming YouTube channel, but I haven't used it much. I'm probably going to post clips on it more and try and utilize it more when with WoW Midnight, because I've been really enjoying WoW Midnight quite a lot. and I've been trying to get some clips and clipping everything myself, and I'll start uploading them to my other YouTube channel. What's it called? Planet Brox, I think? I think, no, Brox Plays. I might actually change the name, But there's just a lot of old stuff on there now at the moment, but I am going to upload some newer stuff. So I mainly play WoW. GTA RP is something I really enjoy too. It's more the acting side of it all. And a few single player games too. The only competitive game that I enjoy playing right now is Overwatch. Yeah, no excuses. So if you follow either the Twitch channel or the Kick channel, totally up to you which one you want to go to. Or Brox Plays. Yeah, we'll try and upload on there for you more. Yeah, that's probably still my most viewed video and hated video. I still get threats from that video about 5 years ago. It's funny. There's something else though. Oh, that's her name, Lady Dimitri. Oh, I can't even say that word. Yeah, WoW's one of my favourite games. It always has been, it always will be at the same time as well. I do play the odd Fortnite game here and there with my nephew though. Yeah, she came over to my house like 3 times. Ever consider story-driven RPG games to stream? It does. Those Walking Dead games count? Because I love those games, eh? Those are cool. I got Code Vein. I got a code for that. What else? Yeah, she has Secret Service with her. I saw their guns and their waists because the head of the Secret Service's blazer blew open. I went, "Oh, I can see your Glock," and he just started laughing. He goes, "Fine, you're the only person that talks like that to us." Like, oh, I'm not gonna be fake around you. Yeah, yes. That was a long time ago now. Let me just move some of these. Yeah, recommend some. Like, when it comes to RPGs, I don't know anymore these days, eh? Other than, like, Final Fantasy, but... Yeah, I don't know any good RPG games in this day and age. Mind you, in saying that, I still haven't opened my Final Fantasy VII Remake. I'm still trying to kill the meme of actually playing it. I haven't played it. I'm not even lying. Ask the mod Thunder. Thunder Punch is in the stream right now. He knows. Yeah, I can't really think of any other RPGs, man, right now. I do want to play the old school Pokemon games, though. Like, I will probably get Fire Red, but the old school ones I'm talking about are the older ones. I love those games, bro. Yeah, I haven't actually played my Final Fantasy remake I bought years ago. It's just been sitting in the case the whole time. Yeah, I prefer like Gen 1 and 2 like the games, but I do have the current Pokemon game too. Nintendo sent me a Switch. I've got to do a video for them. I'll probably try and do it this week. Took me a bit to find your account. My dumbass keeps spelling it wrong, but you should. Yeah. I definitely agree with you. I've got to try and I've just been posting up clips on my main channel, and tell the people how FF7 still remains untouched. Yeah, the only thing I've done in the last couple of years is remove the outer plastic. Maybe when I start doing these sub goals after I've played BG3, I only ever played it for Karlek, and I did it well. Karlek, Lae'zel, they're my favourite. And the bear. I did the bear too. I've done them all. I even kicked that squirrel. It's progress, I guess. Yeah, I kicked that squirrel right into that tree at the start of BG3. Slammed that little bastard right into that tree. But yeah, BG3 is amazing. I love that game. I've got another like D&D kind of game, but I can't shrink it into a normal window. It has to stay as a wide. It's oh, what's it called? I have to check it. It's like a tabletop game, but it's like story driven as well. Taumata Weapon is on. There's so many games to try. Yeah, I want to try and have an indie day as well, and just try some different indie games. That's something else that I want to do. Hello, bro. Greetings from Mexico. Kia ora, brother. I do want to play that game that came out on PlayStation 5 ages ago. Spirit Bridge or something. Because apparently she got a new one, eh? That franchise got a new game. Gotta have to call it fun. When you get to play it. Yeah, I got 7 Steel, finishing, it's so fun. Max Payne and Mirror's Edge is so good, eh? Alright. Alright guys, I think that'll be me for today. I am gonna try and stream tonight. I'm gonna try stream tonight as well. I'm gonna send you to the latest Twitch ambassador from the latest intake. Man's finally got it. Gonna send you to the bro, one of the newest Twitch ambassadors of the OCE region. Go through and give the new young blood some love. So yeah, go through and give him some love, whānau. That's gonna be me. I'm gonna try and stream again tonight with some WoW, okay? When all the boys on. Because I won't lie, jamming WoW with all the boys last night was really fun. Really fun. Okay. Yeah, that's me. GG's. I'll see you all hopefully tonight, okay? Bye-bye. Choo-choo. See you, YouTube. See you, Kick. Have a good day.